County in northeastern New Jersey.
National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Fairfield County in southern Connecticut, west central New Haven County in southern Connecticut, northeastern Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, Westchester County in southeastern New York.
Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near New Windsor to near Vernon Valley, moving east at 70 miles per hour.
Southeastern New York until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near New Windsor to near Vernon Valley, moving east at 70 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expects damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Newburgh and Cold Spring around 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Fonstak State Park around 8
in New York until 8:45 p.m. Moving east at 70 miles per hour. Hazards 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
and Albany around 8:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Mount Kisco and Newtown around 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Greenwich and Bedford around 8:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Megahertz. Here is the forecast. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source radar indicated. Impact minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Middletown, Norwich, Colchester, East Hampton, Groton, Durham, Salem, Chester, Hartford, Waterford, East Lyme, Ledford, Cromwell, Griswold, and Portland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Now for the official national weather. You can hear thunder. You are close enough to be struck by lightning. In Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for central Long Island Sound until 9:30 p.m. At 8:38 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 31 nautical miles northeast of Baxter Estates to near New York Harbor to 19 nautical miles west of Saddle Rock, moving southeast at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.